Hi guys, I'm SAKU. This time, I'm going to talk about どんより. Taking from the video, a conversation about the weather part 2. We're looking at こっちも空がどんよりしていますよ. In English, it translates to gloomy or overcast. Personally, I think gloomy with the feeling better, but it really depends on the person. Overcast also works as a translation for どんより. It's that kind of sky that looks like it might start raining any second. When describing skies or clouds like this, Japanese uses expressions like どんよりとしている、どんよりとしています。It's gloomy or it's overcast. In casual or everyday conversation, the と is often dropped, so you'll hear どんよりしている、どんよりしています。Examples: 空がどんよりとしています。空がどんよりしています。The sky is gloomy, or the sky is overcast. You can also describe skies like this. どんよりとした空、どんよりした空。Gloomy sky, overcast sky. And clouds like this. どんよりとした雲、どんよりした雲。Gloomy clouds or overcast clouds. You might even hear どんより雲、どんより雲。And just so you know, it's pronounced どんより雲, not どんより雲. You could also say どんより空, though that's not something I hear very often. Personally, it feels a bit poetic, like something I'd find in a children's book. Example: 空がどんよりしてきたので傘を持っていきます。The sky is getting gloomy, so I'm taking an umbrella with me. Oh, and there's the grammar point ので I talked about last time. Another one. どんよりした天気が何日も続いています。The overcast weather has been going on for days. "どんより" gives off a dull, murky feeling, so it's not just for weather. You can use it in other situations too. For example, when water or air looks cloudy. 雨の後、川の水がどんよりと濁っていました。After the rain, the river water was murky. It can also describe someone feeling down or gloomy. 小次郎が財布をなくしてどんよりとしています。小次郎 lost his wallet and is looking gloomy.彼の表情がどんよりしていました。His expression was gloomy. どんよりしていないで元気を出して。Don't be so down. Cheer up. And it can describe a heavy or tense atmosphere. 部屋の空気がどんよりとしている。The atmosphere in the room feels heavy. In Japanese, 空気 doesn't just mean air. It can also refer to the atmosphere or a vibe of a place. However, it's not appropriate to use どんより in serious or formal situations like funerals. どんより is casual and a bit vague, so while it works for weather or moods, it can sound too light or even disrespectful in some settings. It's often used metaphorically for weather or facial expressions, but in contexts involving grief or mourning, it might come across as insensitive. Example: 彼は戦争で家族を亡くしてどんよりしています。He lost his family in the war and is feeling gloomy. In Japanese, that doesn't quite feel right. A better way to say it would be 彼は戦争で家族を亡くして深く悲しんでいます。He is deeply saddened by the loss of his family in the war. So, it's best to avoid using どんより when describing solemn or deeply emotional situations. And finally, one last thing from me. 英語がうまくならないのでどんよりしています。I'm feeling gloomy because my English isn't improving. I'm not giving up. Try writing your sentence using どんより in the comments. That's all for now. See you next time.
いいねボタンとチャンネル登録をお願いします。